Welcome to OMIS507 Business Information Systems. I am your instructor, Jim Hayland. In this video, I will introduce you to the course and help you navigate the associated Blackboard content. We will start at the welcome page shown here. The left column describes the course. This course will revisit the basic components and concepts of information technology from a managerial and user perspective, so that a dialogue can be conducted with past and proposed future IT management techniques. Actual examples, cases of IT successes and failures in the business world will be analyzed, emphasizing those techniques that have improved the organization's competitive position, supported the organization's strategic initiative, assisted management's decision-making, and/or played a role in process or structural reengineering of the organization. The course learning objectives are that you students would be able to demonstrate awareness of the technological revolution as well as the limitations of the technology-based competition. Describe the ways by which technology can help a firm rise to dominance, craft and reinforce competitive advantage, and expand market penetration. Properly identify and describe IT infrastructure components, as well as the rate of advancement and limitations of technology. Demonstrate knowledge of how the Internet works and concepts related to IT security. Apply knowledge of data analytics and its importance to drive business strategy and performance. Demonstrate knowledge of social media services and the underlying risks, challenges, and ethical issues. Analyze and assess Amazon's scale and structure and demonstrate an awareness of network effects. Analyze and assess Google's business model strategy and identify and describe types of fraud and disruptive knowledge. Next, we see the first steps to help you get started. I will walk through these steps in a moment. Finally, we see the NIU accessibility statement. Please contact the DRC and reach out to me personally if you require an accommodation. Scrolling back up and reviewing the column to the right, we see the dates for the course followed by my contact information. The best way to reach me is through email. Going to the navigation bar on the left in Blackboard, below the welcome page, you will see a link to announcements. Look here to view regular announcements regarding the class as we progress. Below the announcements link, we see a link to course information. Clicking on that link, we see some details regarding the course. We start with links to the course syllabus and schedule. Open these documents for details specific to this semester. Next, you will find information regarding the required text. The text may be ordered in digital or print form. Returning to the navigation bar on the left, select the instructor profile. Here you will find my contact information. I prefer that we communicate via email. My email is jhayland@niu.edu. You may set up one-on-one meetings with me as needed. To set up a personal meeting, suggest some times to get together via email and we'll find a time that works. Now that we've completed our view of the information page, let's get started with the content. The course modules on the left takes you to a list of modules from Module 0 to Module 8. Module 0 will get you started, while the other modules align with the 8 weeks of the class. Select the link to Module 0, Getting Ready. Next, you will find the Team Formation Survey. We will use teams for multiple assignments in the class. Developing your teamwork skills is essential, as teams are regularly used in the business environment to complete complex projects. This survey asks whether you would like me to select the members of each team or you would prefer to select your own teammates. Once I have the survey response, I will set up the teams per your requests. Scrolling down, Instructions for Module 0 reviews the next steps you should take to get started with the course. I suggest that these steps be completed as soon as possible prior to the start of the class. This will give you the time necessary to procure the text. Now scroll down and review the course technology statement. Next, you will find the email communication policy. Please review and follow the guidelines. Remember that all course communications will be handled using your NIU email. If you have questions regarding use of your NIU email, please let me know right away. Next, you will find instructions for using Blackboard. If you are new to Blackboard or would simply like a refresher, click on the links for more information. As always, reach out to me by email if you have any questions. Moving back to the top of the page, go to the navigation pane and select Discussions. We have a link to 3 different sets of discussion forums. The Getting to Know You GTKY forum is used to introduce you to the class. Add an entry describing yourself following the instructions shown. Next, the weekly discussion boards are shown that will be used as part of the weekly modules. You will find information regarding the weekly forums in the respective course modules. Finally, the Q&A forum may be used to ask for help with course content or technical issues. Students are requested to participate in all 3 forums, including if you can help another student with a question. For easy access, all forums are available by going to the discussions link on the left. I will be monitoring and contributing to all of these forums. You have now completed the content for Module 0. You should be ready to start the course. When you are ready to continue the course, select the Course Modules link on the left You may now start with Module 1 since you have completed Module 0. You will complete each module in order to meet the requirements of the class. There are a total of 8 modules, 1 for each week of the course. Within each weekly module, you'll find the tasks for the week. We start with a summary of the activities for the week. Make sure to review these items to make sure that you have covered all of the requirements. Next, you will find the objectives for the week. This is a list of skills you will master by completing the activities. Then you see the readings for the week. The chapters listed are from the text, while optional content may also be included to enhance your learning. Next, you will see the content presentations for the week. Review these slides to reinforce your learning from the text. Then you will see a link to the discussion board forum for the week, or DBP. You will enter an initial entry based upon your learning for the week. You will also add responses to the entries of other students. Interactions should follow appropriate etiquette. The following link will take you to the weekly quiz or quizzes. Please complete all available quizzes. Each quiz has a time limit of 10 minutes, but may be taken twice. If taken twice, the higher score will count towards your final grade. After the quizzes, you'll find the assignment for the week. Each week we will review a different application. The steps to be taken along with documentation requirements are found here. The assignment is submitted by clicking on the link that is the title of the section. In this case, clicking on App 1 takes you to the submission window. In this window, you'll see the due date and points available for the assignment. The assignment instructions are repeated here. Scroll down and you will find the Browse My Computer button. Select this button and navigate on your computer to the file you would like to submit for the assignment. Then select Submit. Returning to Module 1, we scroll down to find the critical reflection link. Select this link to enter your thoughts for the week. Think back over your learning journey during this module and create a journal entry or private post on Blackboard. Document in your reflection any aha moments you had, poignant comments from the discussion, readings and resources, or any other key takeaways. Reflection posts are only viewable by you and your instructor and can be as long as you find helpful to adequately capture your thoughts. Please type your post directly into Blackboard. Do not attach a separate file. Once you have entered your thoughts for the week, return to the module to complete any other requirements. Near the bottom of Module 1, after the critical reflection, you will find Team Assignments. By this time, student teams will have been established. This is the first team assignment, TTR1. The instructions to complete the assignment are found here. To submit your team's completed work, click on the title TTR1, which is a link to take you to the submission window. Only one member of the team should submit the team assignment. Once all team activities have been completed, you are done with this module. The remaining modules follow a similar approach. I hope this video will help you successfully navigate the course and complete all assignments. Please contact me if you have any questions or suggestions. Thank you.